Yeah, man. We're back. So we were talking on stream the other night, and I had an idea. We were talking about challenges, how I do these little challenges for myself because I'm not like the top Elden Ring player in the world, okay? I'm not even close. Some people, I killed Malekith last night with melee and no summons. And people were like, not a lot of people, it's not so simple. And I'm like, well, yeah, but I got hit a lot of times. I'm watching freaking Aggie and Gino Machino, right? So after the stream last night, it was late, guys. It was relaxing. You know what I'm saying? And I made this character here. Actually, I had it. And I just wanted to go see if I could kill Margit. And I couldn't. I came close. But I didn't. So I thought, what if I had a half an hour to set up a Margit kill? A 30-minute setup time. What do we do from there? What do we do in 30 minutes? First thing I think of is the speed run setup, guys, where I run and grab some stones, I grab Golden Bow, the strength tier, and run over to Third Church of Marika, get my physic, okay? That's one idea, because then we can port and maybe run and get the Source Seal. I don't know if we can do all that in 30 minutes. And then, because we have to start with the new character, so we got to run to Torrent. That probably takes, 5 minutes or something? You know what I'm saying? So what I'm looking for is ideas. And you know me, I'm going to be taking some hits. What I think I'm going to do also is the rules for the challenge are going to be new character, 30-minute setup. Okay? 10 attempts. Then we got to start over and try and figure out a better setup. That's the plan. Okay? So, we'll see if we can get it. Oop, I got to set up my alert to let people know I'm live. It's amazing how many people come from my live alert, folks. If you want to be on a live alert, go to Charlie Sardo Gaming on Facebook. Look at the top. You'll see the live alert channel. Click it. You get a live alert on Facebook every single time I go live, no matter what. No matter what, whether it's there or here or Twitch or anywhere, guys. But I'm streaming a Facebook, chess, and gaming here for YouTube. And I'm early, guys. I'm early. Maybe that's why people are kind of coming slow, too. I'm a little bit early. But there's nothing I can do about that. I have to go to the dentist tomorrow. And I'm on a clock. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is like I said, I have a route. I have a route that I think I want to take. And you guys, maybe I'm going to give you guys the idea of the route right now, and you can maybe tell me what you think. Shaka Retailer, I'm early too. Yeah, man, I'm early. Thanks for showing up, my brother. One thing about streaming is consistency, right? I wonder if it's worse to start at 7:30 than to not stream at all. It probably is better to start at 8 and only go for an hour than it is to start at 7:30 and go for an hour and a half. It probably is. I probably could have thought about that, but you know what? Here we are. Here we are, folks, and we're going in. So I've got a setup timer for the 30 minutes. When I hit that will give us 30 minutes. New game, and we're gonna delete that girl we just had. Okay, yes, you can 10 profiles, guys. 2024, rock and roll level 9. Professor Confessor, yeah, rock and roll level 9 is one we're gonna delete. That's gonna be our challenge. Our challenge, and I'm going to. Excuse me. Another idea at some point, guys. We could maybe do astrologer and get the rock sling, and that might be what can get me to get Margit in 30 minutes. Right now, I'm going to start with the samurai because that's what I want to try. Name is going to be rock and roll again. Rock and roll. Okay, we got to type that right. There we go. Rock and roll. Body type. Okay, hit enter. Body type. Slender type. Origin. Samurai. I'm going to take a keepsake. I'm not going to use ashes, guys. I'm not going to use ashes, man. Lands between rune. That gives you points, right? And you always take the golden seed. I'm going to take the rune, guys. Someone mentioned that for a few extra levels. There we go. that's, guys, this is just, it's a new character, okay? Adam Freeman, what's up, dude? Dude, we had a great chess stream earlier, man. I really enjoyed the hell out of it. I felt like it was some good games, and it was a lot of fun. This looks good. Okay. Hey, Trey, what's up? Another character I find. Yeah, Trey, here's my plan. Okay? I want to see if I can pull Margit in 30 minutes and defeat Margit. I got 30 minutes to set up. I know Trey's brain's already thinking, like, what am I going to do in 30 minutes, right? Oh, my God. Okay, well, I haven't moved yet, okay? I haven't moved yet. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer. Now, right now, the first route, I'm not even going to unequip my bow because I'll do that on the timer. My first route I'm thinking is go to the Church of Ella, run and get Torrent, and do the path. Oh, and then go get the gold, get some smithing stones there, get Golden Vow, right? And then run and get my strength tiers right there, and then Golden Vow. And then, if I can get to Church of Marika, I don't know how long it's going to take, man. We're going to have to get on a horse and go, guys. And we're going to be under the gun. And then when the timer gets like 27 minutes, I'm going to have to port back to the shack and run in and pull Margit. Whatever. I mean, it would be awesome if I could go get the strength tier, go to Second Church of Marika, get the physic, go get the Source Seal, run out, port, get the Source Seal, and then port back and run to Linernia and get the Dex tier. I don't think that's happening in 30 minutes, man. It's free! You may have already said, but why YouTube streams now? Adam, you didn't know. Well, I need to spread out. I needed to spread out. And the chess is great on Facebook, but I needed, as a content creator, I needed to spread out. And so that's what we're doing. We're doing an actual challenge run. Here's what's great about this challenge run. This is a challenge run that you can do. You can do this challenge run. Like, you watch some of these no-hit challenge runs, randomizer, but like superstars can do these things. I don't know, but I know I'm not that good. So, but I want to challenge myself until DLC comes out. And I want to be a better player. I want to be a better Souls player. And I'm thinking 30 minutes. We'll see how much we get done. I'm getting ready to set the timer, folks. This is going to be freaking crazy. Trey, do you have any opinions, man? Well, I can listen while I start running. If you have any opinions that anything I'm missing that might be a bigger, faster, stronger buffs, but this, I think, is a good route with the Golden Vow, the Strength here, and maybe the Source Seal if I have time for it. Then if I port back, if I have like 10 minutes left, I don't think I can do that in 20 minutes. We're going to see. Maybe I can. Then I can run and get the Dex tier, man. The Dex tier. If I have a Strength tier and the Dex tier, we got some money for levels. I don't know, guys. Level up the weapon as much as we can. We're going to buy some smithing stones along the way. All right, guys. I'm getting ready to hit the timer. You guys ready? 30 minutes. 30 minutes setup. And then pull Margit. There we go. Go! We don't have time for this. What is this? If I knew what it was, I should know. Oh, I just wasted time, guys. I don't know how to, like, take stuff off. Can I take stuff off my body while I run, guys? I guess I could check that. I can. Okay. But we're not going to, because we're going to sell this stuff. We're going to sell this stuff, folks, because we're going to need the money because we're low-level noobs. We're low-level noobs. Should I have jumped already? Probably. I am not a speedrunner. Dude, see, it takes almost a minute just to get out of there, man. That's rough, bro. Well, we're not even out yet. We still got to go up a freaking elevator. Yeah, 30 minutes might not be enough for a guy like me, man. But you know what? These are skip. These are going to be challenges that are going to be difficult. There's no sacred tier there, right? Difficult for a guy like me. But they're not so difficult that you can't try them at home. Do you know what I'm saying? I'd be curious. I'd be very curious. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. What did I... God, that's habit, man. Wasting time. I don't know what this is. It's all PvP stuff, man. Why? Why do I waste time on stuff I don't know? Okay, I'm not going to grab the first grace. That's for darn sure. I'm going to be picking some flowers, guys, because we want to sell whatever. It's free. When you're running by a flower, it's free to pick up, right? And I'm going to have to probably open the round table, too. Does the round table not open until after Margit? No, it does. See that, Grace? Not getting it. We're going to run to the church. We're going to try not to get the tree sentinel angry at us, guys. Let's go. Free pretty flowers. Yeah, Billy. Oh, my God. No. I should only be getting flowers that are in the path, guys. In the path. That will cost me crucial setup time, guys. What if we have time to go get the dex tier and I was picking flowers? But, you know, I like to pick the pretty flowers. Oh, no, I went the wrong way. This grace, I think I'm supposed to get. I think I'm supposed to get it for some reason. There's a reason I'm supposed to get it, guys. Dang it. Well, I couldn't come out. I couldn't really go the front. Isn't there loot over here? Yeah, runes. That's what we want. That's what we want, guys. I don't think we're going to be crafting anything. I gotta look here and see if he has any, Come on. Does he have, like, smithing stones or anything, guys? Purchase. No. Sell. Oh, wait.
Goodbye for now.
Okay, guys, wait. Hello? Equipment. I should probably keep some of this stuff on, though, huh? I should keep some stuff on. Yeah. Oh, no, I can't. I gotta go. 26. Do you think we're gonna make it to the... I think I can make Church of Marika, but I don't think I can make a Source Seal, guys. You start at NG Plus Journey. Nice, man. Is it fun, dude? What are you doing? Are you stopping and smelling the flowers, or you just run straight to Margit, man, and just melt Margit? The kookaries, guys, I feel like I want them. Stop it. Okay, I want to run in a straight line to Melinda. I want to exhaust all dialogue, get my horse, and get the hell out of there. And we, you know, obviously this route is going to change. We can improve on it. But this could be like a challenge that normal Souls players can do. Instead of Superstars. I mean, Superstars, I love watching Superstars, man. I love watching the best. Okay, wait. Skip. Talk. Talk. Faster. Give me a horse.
I bequeath.
She bequeathed me a ring, folks. Come on, go. Oh, God, now I got to equip my horse, guys. It's going to take time. Switch! Horsey! Go! I know it's pretty slow, guys. Like I said, how much time we got? Oh my God, 5 minutes burned already. I didn't think it was going to be 5 minutes, guys, to get to that spot. I really didn't. Good lump of flesh, guys, I'll take it. Lump of flesh. I want to pick those flowers, but no, man. And I was thinking, I don't know if it's going to... There's not going to be enough time to get Alexander's Shard, because if I grabbed Alexander's Shard, it's something. It's a... Because I'm not going to have... Now, we need smithing stones, guys. They're right here. We need smithing stones. Okay. Running back over here. And then... I always have trouble finding... Strength here, I know where it is. The golden bow. Sometimes I'm not getting... Oh, yeah, no, I have to get this grace. What is that? What is that right there, guys? Is it worth grabbing? Is it a stone sword key? I guess I have to learn. It's a stone sword key. Okay. Let's go. What's happening after Darker Spielski? What are you doing, man? This is my own challenge. This is not a challenge that is for, you know, the people that are the best in the game. This is for someone like me who's got some experience. I'm just going to let this guy aggro because I'm on a clock. I'm on a freaking clock, buddy. Okay. Where's my jump? Where's my jump? It's not over here. Where's the jump? I was supposed to just drop down? Now, I might have to look at my map, guys. That's a good sign. That's a good sign that we're getting close to the gold vow, guys. Oh, man, I got a bad feeling. I don't know where it is. It's not up here. Or is it up here? Nope, there's trolls. I screwed up. I screwed up. You guys know where the golden vow is? Put golden vow on the Uchi. Now, exalted flesh can actually help. I think I screwed up. I did. Golden vow's back here somewhere, guys. Okay, so maybe we won't be able to get as far. Oh my god. Well, that's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. That's gonna hurt. Yeah. Wow. I didn't expect that. This is gonna be tricky, man. Steak. Yeah, but I think I passed War Master Shack. I went too far, huh? Let's back up the road a little bit. Okay. Let me see. My runes are over there. Oh, no, I didn't really pick up that much runes. Here's War Master Shack. So it's like, it's over here? See, I was by War Master Shack. It's not over here. See what I'm saying? Nothing then north then east from War Master Shack. Go uphill. North then east from War Master Shack. Go uphill. Should we try and grab my runes? Where are they? Oh god. Okay, screw that. Oh, it's this way. It's this way? No, but there's a drop-off right here, I think. Is he over there? I don't see him. Oh, is he? He's not over there. Okay, well, this is okay. This is our first attempt. North and east of War Master Shack. Yeah, I don't know where he is, man. See, there's what's his face. Okay, let's move forward. I don't think I should waste my time with that, right? I already blew the golden vow. I'm gonna have to Google that, guys. So we're gonna go with that golden vow because we gotta move. We gotta see how long if we can get to the. We gotta see if we can get to the third church, and then maybe possibly go get the source. Way too far east. Okay. Smithing stone. I think this guy has smithing stones.
Oh dear.
Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Sell. Well, that's equipped. That's a piece of equipment. Okay, no. I should have looked because I think he has smithing stones, right? Or do you just have cracked pots? Purchase. Get him. That's it. That's it.
I must apologize.
Shut up. R. Okay, but I don't need to do anything else with him. Yeah, I had a my rune equipped. I got 3k runes. Now, the fastest way I know to get to the church is also at a place where I can grab a bunch of runes. But, looking at the clock, 10 minutes gone. You know what? Church is happening. Church is happening, guys. Oh, I should have gone down. Church is over there. I can see it. Can I get there from here? I can. That's where I want to... Now, there were some runes at the graveyard that I talked about, but I'm not going to get them right now. What I'm mainly looking at now is, can I get... Hey, we just got some free runes there. I'll take them. Can I get here? And I can. And I've kind of screwed up, and I didn't get Golden Vow. It probably would have been faster if I would have got it. But if I could get here in 12 minutes, that's not that bad, man. That's not that bad. Then I got my physic, and I got my strength here. Whoa, wait. There's no... Right here. Now we're going to see if we can get the Source Seal. And if I can, and get back to the freaking... all I got to do is talk to Millennia, right? For the round table. She'll give it to me, right? Okay. I think I know the run. And I bet we could do this in 7 minutes. We'll have 10 minutes left. I'm going to have to get... Ooh, I like this. Although, we're going to have... You know what? Any upgrades to Flash is going to be good. You need to get Graces if you want round table. I'm pretty sure. You got to grab Graces for round table? Like multiple Graces? I think it's just like after a certain time I rest. But I'll start grabbing some Graces real quick. See, I got to look and see if she's going to be there. There she is.
Forgive me. I've been testing.
Escape? Oh, she's talking.
It seems torrent, whereas there is, but I can take gathering place.
I better go now, huh? I'm not going to. I'm not going to because I want to see if I can get the Source Seal. And then we'll do this again, but I'll have the exact location of Golden Vow. Dude, some things I brain fart with, man. And Golden Vow, I knew where it was. Don't block me with your wings, bro. He can be a huge blocker, if you know what I mean. Yeah, see, so I could just wait. I can wait and rest at my second Grace, and she'll take me to the round table. Now, I can't let this fool kill me. I had 3,000 runes and not a lot of time. But, dude, so I can get the Source Seal. Then the question is, if I can have... I don't think I'll have a Source Seal in 6 minutes. Then the question is, can I port there and run to... Oh, I thought that was loot. Leave me alone. No, don't shoot poopies. Is it this way? It's this way, right? Oh, no, I could go up. Is this the same one? Come on, man. I don't have time. How do you not... How does it not work? Is it because I'm in combat? Is it because I'm in combat, guys? Can you not use this in combat? Can't use it in combat. Wow. There we go. Okay, if I could not aggro that thing, that would be great. Boy, that right there would have been a way fast shortcut. Way faster than what I had planned. 14. Hey, man. See how fast we can grab this thing. I don't have to grab the medallion, which is kind of nice, right? I have 3,000 runes and I'm going to die. I have 3,000 runes and I'm going to die. It's okay. This is routing that will get us... I mean, I'm going to try not to die. I could use a lost memory of grace or something, right? But do I own one? How do those things work? Equipment. I have no... It's not a talisman. I have nothing. So for me, in order for me to get the Source Seal, I'm going to have to die with 3,000 runes, which was my gift at the beginning of the game, which pretty much makes this run screwed. Right? I think I have to grab these runes. Wow. This is just so bad. I tried. I tried. Oh my god, I got out of there. I got out of there, guys. The run's still up. The run's still up. Okay, now, back here, Storm Hill Shack. I didn't get it. I didn't see the War Master Shack, Grace, because I blew from here. I dropped down. What do we got? What are we looking at? 12? Okay, I'm thinking like round table hold. I got to go at 5 minutes. Where's the bowl? Here it is. So where's the drop off? Okay. Oh, here. Okay. And then from here, there's my runes. You said I was way too far east. War Master Shack is this way. I see the Grace. I'll grab it. Oh, she's going to try and talk to me. No, I'm just going to grab it. But now from here... Oh, we got wolves, man. That sucks. It's not right here. It's up here and to the right. Am I right? This is where I just was, though. Go north from here. Yeah, go north. I'm going north. And then head east up the hill. Oh, up this plateau. I see it now. Okay, I got to go north from War Master Shack. Yep. So you're saying put Gold Vow on my Uchi Katana. Just put it on my Uchi Katana? Now the question. We don't have time to screw around, guys. Oh, this guy's costing us time. Oh my god. Usually in the speed runs, don't die. Get him. Good. God. Now the question is, can I get the dex tier? The question, do you think I can get the dex tier from here? At 5 minutes, I have to go to round table, and you guys know how slow I am. But at 5 minutes, I got to go to round table, guys. So I've got about 5 minutes to get the dex tier. And way screwed up and botched slow so far, right? So we can totally now I know just north of War Master Shack. Duh. I was turning around. Probably won't be able to get it, huh, guys? I'm up. Man, and I kind of wanted to hit that graveyard too because runes, levels, right? Come on. How long do you think it takes? Oh my god, come on! How long it takes to run from like the shack I was just at, the one near the one with Rodrika. Rodrika's Shack is what it's called officially in Elden Ring lore. It's called Rodrika's Shack. How long it takes to run there and pull Margit? That's the question, guys. And the thing here too is I kind of know where the next tier is. Not long. Yeah, no, I run. I mean, I say that now, but yeah, like a minute and a half, 2 minutes or something, a minute and a half. Not grabbing that, guys. Not grabbing it. We don't have time. There's no tier in here, right, guys? There is. I have to get it, guys. Because we may not get the... yeah. There we go. We may not get the dex tier, guys. And there's loot over there, but it's a scroll. I know that. It is. It is. I'll show you where in the next 3 minutes if I can get there in time. And I have to talk to the vendor because he might have smithing stones, guys. Just give me loot, please. No! If I had time, I could sell all this stuff, guys. I gotta try and sell this stuff fast. I gotta talk to this guy fast. I might make the dex here, guys. I really might. Because I think this guy might have some smithing stones.
You surprised no matter.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm afraid to go too much. What are these, twos? I only want two. I only want two twos, guys, because I don't think I'm going to have... I don't think I'm going to have enough... Oh, man. Sadly, I might need a map frag. Well, you know what? No, don't have time for that. Good. This map frag is probably what's going to save me, guys. It's probably going to get me killed, too. No! There's no way! Oh. Okay, I might have to do a round table at 4 minutes, folks. I didn't grab a grace. Okay. So we were at 7 minutes, right? I wanted that so bad, guys, because I need to look at my map to find the freaking thing. So I think what we're gonna do is, when we get to where I was, we'll see how long it takes to get the dex tier. And I had about 3 minutes. Yeah, because the dex tier will be so nice for damn, man. If I can have the strength and the dex tier is huge. And then I could have put a couple points in strength and dex, I think, right? Probably just strength. We're not gonna have that much. Dude, the runes and the map frag are both gone. Oh my god. So do I need to like run by them and pull them away and then just run by and slam my E key right quick? This run is botched, guys. This run is botched because we have to check to see. When I get to where I was, I think I had 3 minutes, between 2 and 3 minutes before my 5 minute timer I put on myself to get to the round table. You know what I'm saying? And this is just the run that I'm thinking about, guys. Like, you guys might be able to come up. I can't. I should have rested at the dude, and I'm gonna have to rest now. What a waste. What a waste. Because right now is when I promised myself I'd go to the round table and start getting ready, guys. But you know what? If I can run around and get ready in a minute, then we can still. I mean, I could probably port to that the Grace near Margit with 2 minutes left. You know what I'm saying? And run in. I don't think it even takes 2 minutes, guys. Probably takes like a minute. Why do you need a round table? Can I level the... I want to put gold vow on my weapon. And I want to... level my weapon. Yeah, but can I... Yeah, I got my runes. That's good. Come on, don't kill me. Get away from my freaking thing. Spread out a little bit. I shouldn't need this map frag, guys. This is a problem. But we got it. Okay, now. We can still do it. We can still do it. It's not going to let me... I think I need to be going kind of northwest like this. This is kind of the way. But we got to get out of combat. I hear things shooting at me. Hey, Charlie Kill, what's up, man? Come on, I just want to look at my map. Why don't you let me look at my map? There's no way I'm still in combat. There we go. Okay, I need to go right, I believe. It's not right here, is it? That would be a beautiful dream, but I don't think it is. It almost looks familiar, but it's not. It's not up here, is it? Okay, so I'm gonna need, yeah, I'm gonna need to get the exact location of the Dex tier 2 without, right there, I think. Ashes of War are equipped at the Grace. Ah, so I can do it at the church. Okay, well, that will save me time. It's not over here, is it? Okay, well, it's time to go to the... It's not. It's not. It's not. Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah. I gotta go get set up now, guys. With whatever we can. At this point, round table will probably be faster. Well, we're just porting somewhere. This is probably faster because I can sell here faster, right? Okay.
Goodbye.
Leave. Oh, wait. I'm gonna keep my armor on, guys. I'm gonna keep my armor on. I took my head off.
What is it?
Sell. E. No! I gotta do that? That's gonna take forever. Okay, screw it. There's not enough runes there anyway.
Bye for now.
And I did not equip my bow. Remove. Here. Strengthen. I got +2. I thought that's what it would be. What's the problem here? Strengthen armament. Okay, I think you can't... Oh, yeah, I can't do anymore. I can't do anymore, Trey. Right? I can only level it to, like, level 2 or something. Flasks. Add charge. Yes. Yes. Okay, here. And then, oh yeah. Now, strength. And then we port and run. We're going to make it. I got 9 seconds. I didn't make it. I didn't make it, guys. Level up. Oh, I got a few levels, though. We blew it. I blew it. Okay. I went to the wrong grace anyway. Now, one thing we're going to do is at least... we didn't get Golden Vow. We didn't get Golden Vow, right? But we have to go give a couple of tests to see what... How many levels did I get? Like 4 or 5? I don't even know. And without Golden Vow... Oh, I didn't mix my physic either. I didn't mix my physic. I didn't mix my physic. And now we can get an idea about how long this is going to take to run from here up here. It's not far, guys. It has to be freaking a minute or something. I'm not going to kill Margit on my first attempt. I just want to see how that big... Oh, wait. I don't usually go this way. Yeah, I usually cut through here. If you go through the trees, the ballistas don't get you, man. It's that damn highway. I mean, that's a minute, guys. That's a minute, right? And we don't need the grace. because there's going to be a stake. So that's probably a minute, right? And we have no golden bow. Okay, so this is just... throw stuff at me. I'm doing some damn. With the dex tier... that was dumb. Okay. Hey, man, you know what? This challenge is doable. Two-handed katana. I didn't two-handed katana with the unsheath. I could have totally unsheathed too. I wasn't thinking about it. Yeah. So now what I have to do in routing, guys, is Stormhill Shack. Did I grab the Grace at Stormhill Shack? I thought I did. Warmaster Shack. From Warmaster Shack, I want to... oh, I did get Gold Vow. I did get Gold Vow. I just didn't put it on, right? I thought I didn't get Golden Vow. I didn't have time, guys. I didn't have time. I was too rushed. That's going to be part of this too. There's no Ash of War here. Ashes of War, you said, are done at the Grace, but they're not. Great runes are great runes. So I would definitely have to go... yeah, I'd have to go to Round Table. I'd have to go to Round Table, but I don't have to go right now because it doesn't matter. All this other stuff was pretty good. What was the big one? Not finding Golden Vow took so long, right? And now that I'm at Warmaster Shack, let me just run to it right now. North. Yep, the wolves are a good sign. To equip at the Grace, you have to grab the whetstone. Yeah, and I'm not going to do that. The move is... and he's right up here. There he is. He pops again? Crazy. Okay. Oh, Dex tier, guys. Because I need to get the Dex tier without grabbing that freaking map. You know what I'm saying? It will be faster. Well, yeah, faster than going to get the whetstone. I think it'll be faster than going to get the whetstone. The Dex tier is what I need to see where it is, and I don't have... my map is not opened up enough for me to see where it is. Where is the next... there's no more map frags on here. I'm gonna find it right now, and I gotta learn where it is. Dex tier location, because we have enough time. We have enough time to get strength tier, Dex tier, riding on Sword Seal, Golden Vow, and as many freaking smithing stones as we can. I wish I had more. See, we're gonna, if we level the weapon up, we're gonna get less. We're gonna get less levels, and that's why I think maybe I'm gonna have to get good anyway. But you know me, I'm probably not gonna be no-hitting anything, right? Dex tier, right here. Okay, found in a bowl on a small island in southern Liurnia, immediately northwest of Scenic Isle Grace, not far from the southern cliffs. Okay, see, problem with that is I don't know where the Scenic Isle thing is or the southern cliffs are. So I gotta go southern cliffs. Well, I mean, and see, remember I was kind of looking for that island because I remember it was on an island, guys. I remember it was on an island. It's not going to let me look at my map, huh? Because we aggroed someone 5 years ago. I just got to be able to find the... come on, man. Why? Okay. It's on a small island. I think it's further north, though. I think it's further north. And I can probably do it without the map by riding along the edge. Hold on one second. Let me, oh, man. I think they're shooting me. Let me, get to where I'm at LOS and I can, close that. Okay, wait. Didn't want to close the world. There we go. Now my chat's back. 775. Yeah, Kevin, man. Yeah, dude. YouTube's being good to us, man. We're growing. You know, right now the first level of what I'm trying to reach on YouTube is we're already well past it on the subs. Scenic something Grace. See, it's on an island, and that's why I checked this island, but it's not here. But it kind of looks like that island. And if I have to go get another... Happy to see you grow. On God, hey, you know what? On God, I'll tell you, any growth. Remember I told you the other day, man. I wanted to send you a screenshot. I just got a notification. You have reached 21,400 followers. Congratulations. I'm telling you, I get it every day. I get 21,400, 21,500. They alternate. But I haven't seen 21,000. And I exaggerated. I went and looked at my numbers because it sounded so outrageous. I went and looked at my numbers. And it's been 24. It's been between 21,300 and 21,600. Right? Because I've been going 3, 4, 5. For a year. It's literally a year and a half. I said 2 years. And I didn't want to exaggerate, so I went and looked. But it's great. It's great to get any kind of growth. Heck, man, I'm posting reels to TikTok. This is not it. This is not where it is. I'm gonna have to look up oh man, come on. I don't need aggro right now. I just want to find this place, so I know how to find it visually, and not on a freaking. I need an actual picture, man. I need an actual picture. Yeah, guys, I'll tell you, growth is an amazing thing, man. And it's really, really nice to feel some steps forward. It's very exciting. This is a video. Guess I could look at this if I mute it. Come on. Oh, wait, he just showed me. This player. Wait. Oh my God, I gotta look again. Okay. I think I see the terrain. Whoa. Yeah, that probably isn't a good idea. Watch me be stuck up here. Waiting for you to 100,000 here on YouTube so you can give me a shout out. Oh, believe me, on God, I will. You've always supported me, my friend. Yeah, so I need to continue this way. So maybe we won't, guys, maybe we won't be able to get it. Yeah, yep, and this cuts in. It cuts over, and I think I saw that on the map. Drew, what's up? What are you after, Charlie? Yeah. But I need to be able to find it without the map. This is probably the Grace they spoke of. Let me get it. Scenic Isle Grace or whatever. No, this is falling on the lake. Right? It didn't tell me. Falling in a lake. Yeah. That's wrong. Yeah, see, I don't have the map lit up, and I need to be able to run right to it. You know what I'm saying? 100,000, you get a silver plaque. See, this is the problem with this. What I might have to do is log on to another character And look at the map. You would think I could just... Because yeah. I don't know. And it's not going to be worth it to me to run and get... It's not going to be worth it for me to run and get the map frag just to find that out. So, quick game. Yes. Who's got plenty of graces, folks? Actually, it's hard to say. Because so many of my characters have, like, zerged through stuff. But even the highest level one probably will have less graces than one of the other guys. I think Reduvia Daggers is relatively new. Continue, but oh no! I continued. I suck at this game. Like my challenge. I'm over here trying to do something challenging, and I can't even freaking quit game and then load into another character. Yeah, that's me, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Guys, new short just dropped at 8 o'clock. It's Radon, guys. It's Radon with the grafted blade greatswords. And it's pretty cool. Okay, now load game. Someone smoky, it doesn't matter where they are. Claudia 1850 is on her first playthrough. Claudia 1850 is on her first playthrough. So I'm going to look on the map and see physically where it is so I can get a lay of the land. And then we'll go to the other tune. Okay, let me see. I think this is the island right here, guys. I think it's right there. I believe that's where it is. So am I too far north? Yeah, because this is where you go under to go to the Albironics, right? Or it is. It is. And I was just there. Wow. So it's kind of over there. It's kind of over near the Poopy Water, guys. Poopy Waters. And there's Scenic Isle Grace. Lasker Ruins Grace. So from Nernia Lakeshore is where I'm going to be. I'm going to run along the cliffs. Okay, let me see. I'm going to run along the cliffs, and when it cuts out to the right, it almost goes perfectly straight. When it cuts out to the right, I turn right, and it should be right there. Okay? And if we do that, now that we have Golden Vow handled, right? We got Golden Vow handled. We get Dex tier handled. We're going to get all three, guys. We're going to get all three, and we're going to be able to have the Dex tier too. And then we'll do 10 attempts. And then from there we'll have to improve. But this is getting the routing down, you know what I mean? And I think we're doing pretty good. If anyone has any suggestions, if there's any huge runes or expensive items that I'm missing that I could pick up on this route, and it'll be worth it. Like, dude, it'll probably be worth it to run over here in this chest. There's a great rune or something stupid. Yeah. See, it's over here somewhere, guys. Going back. Or I'm just going to make the run. I'm going to make the run from here. Because this is what I'm going to have to do. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm going to have to do. Because I'm not going to have a map. I am not a good player, Souls player, without a map, folks. One thing about me, I always grab the map. But I don't have time for it. Okay. Come on. Come on. Northeast. And it's pretty much a straight line. Yep, I can see the straight line. Pretty much a straight line. And then when it curves, there's going to be some rocks and stuff. And there's going to be an island to the east. Me too. Awesome short, Charlie. Did you see it? It was fun, man. I spent time on it. It's right here. Okay. Use Alaska Ruins, though. This is not it. So I have to get like a... This is not it. It was like right when it curved out. Maybe that was still the straight part. Nope, it does curve out. And then I was going to kind of go a little bit north and a little bit east. And there's an island. There's an island, guys. But I don't believe it because I'm at Alaska Ruins. Nope. Same was hilarious. It was fun. It was fun, man. I'm telling you, those 1 minute reels I was talking about on the chess stream. I still know where. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. Here's an island. Here's an island. Last shard. But it's in a bowl. It's in a bowl, guys. And I ain't gonna lie. I remember it being like this way. I remember it being like over here somewhere. Drew, where's the freaking dex tier from here without the freaking map, man? You see where I am? You see where I am? Let me show you where I am. And show me where the dex tier is. Bam. Oh, did we get the scenic isle? No, that's falling in a lake. Oh, wait, no, I got to continue going north. I got to continue going north. I should have just looked at my map. That was not a big enough kick out. Just share the stream. Got to get that 800 subs. Hey, thank you, man. Kevin Cook, thank you, my brother. Dude, the community is awesome. Oh, yeah, and yeah. No, this is it. We go this way. We kind of have to avoid some mobsters, folks. Actual mobsters. Not mobs. Mobsters. Okay, so no. I was way too far south before I started to look for it. Yeah, guys, believe me, the likes and shares and all that stuff really helps, man. And just the fact that you're being here and the comments and everything, thank you, guys. We are making progress. So, now, is it here that I turn and go? Dex, no, it's directly southwest from Boiled Prawn Shack. Yeah, I don't have Boiled Prawn Shack on my map. I need to find it without Boiled Prawn Shack. Like you see, what I do have on my map is Folly on the Lake. Where is it from Folly on the Lake? Which direction do you go? Do you know? Because I don't have it on my map, and I'm not going to have it on my map. So I have to get familiar with the area directly east from Folly. East. Directly east. Straight line, basically. Okay, I'm going to hit a wall, so I'm going to go around. And it's in a little bowl, right? Like the strength tier was? And it's on a little island? It's in a bowl like the deck, like the strength, right? Yep, little bowl platform thing. So is it on here? There's an island. Island just out at an angle. That's it. Okay, so this is it. So where's the secret bowl? There it is. They're going to kill me. Okay, I got it. Now I have to get out of combat. And I have to probably, for safety's sake. Now I remember what it looks like. But I got to... Oh, wow, it is right here. War Master Shack. Yeah, the problem is I'm not going to be going to the War Master Shack. I'm going to use the Grace now to get out of combat. You can see it from the freaking War Master Shack. Yeah. I can see it from the War Master Shack. Okay. So, it was... wait. It was north... No, it wasn't. I just came from this way, right? This is the island. The Alberonic Island. It is. Okay, good. Now from here, I want to, just for like the next run, to not get lost, I want to run up. I want to get to the point where I can like go north to get it. Which would be like wait. It'd be like right here. Wait. That's pretty much south. Okay, so let me run and look at this thing. I'm gonna look at the terrain so I can run there and just, it's not that far. I'll learn, because that way we can do this setup in 30 minutes and have the decks here. South, 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 south. Okay. See? Look at that. Directly north. Okay, so when I'm coming up and I get to these red things, these red roof things, I get right to there, and then we go north. We go north. It'll be faster if I take a shortcut, but the thing is I'm going to miss it. Do you know what I'm saying? This is something I can do offline to save time, and we should be seeing it. There it is right there. Okay. There we go. Directly north. Okay. Escape. System. Bang. Quick game. Yes. All right. We got the quicker. I want to drop down and get all those runes from that graveyard, guys. Because it's almost the same thing from what I did. You just got to stop and grab them. I won't pick up the cookbook. New game. Yes. Time for round 2. Yeah, man. That was rock and roll. Delete. Yes. Oh, no. I just deleted the big bunk level 450. Wah, wah, wah. Just kidding. Come on. Come on. Samurai. Rock and roll. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Keepsake, guys. Keepsake. I think that Lands Between Rune was the move, guys. I think it was. Because that's strength and Vig in the bank. Okay. Now I'm gonna start. I'm not worried about the in-game timer. I'm talking about from the point where I move. You know, it's the quicker pipper upper. Okay, guys, we're gonna take a drink.
The fallen leaves.
None of that loot, guys. The fallen leaves tell a story, really. Guys, I'm gonna put these on and get immersed, man. We're gaming. We're gaming, folks. Okay. Okay. Timer. Setup timer. 30 minutes. Now that we have Golden Vow, should have it under control. And now that we have... Oh, wait a minute, though. War Master Shack. I have a feeling I'm going to be afraid to get to. Once I drop down, I think I go to the right. You know what I'm saying? Here. Yeah, see, I'm not sure exactly where War Master Shack is. From the strength tier, when I go down, if I just go down the cliff off the tongue depressors, which direction do I go to get to War Master Shack? I can't look at my map here. It's not going to help me. I'm going to start the timer. Set up timer. You guys ready? 30 minutes. And I'm not picking up any of this loot. I wasted all my time. Go. Does anyone know? Oh my God, you have to pick this up. You have to pick it up, guys. Okay? I tried to save a few seconds there, guys. Didn't help. You guys knew that? Did you guys know that? Who knew that? All the speedrunners in the chat knew that. Go to Terminal Shack. Follow the road east. Yeah, except that's not where I'm coming from, Billy. I'm going to be already at Golden Vow. You know what I'm saying? There's a route, and I can't go back because I'm already close to it. I'm already close to it. I hear what you're saying. I can't go back to Storm Hill Shack. And I can't take the road east. Oh, God, come on. Escape, skip. Okay. Okay, so you're saying I'm going to have to pay attention. I really wish there's a tier there, but there's not. It's going to be all, you didn't pick up the other dirty fingers, you son of a gun. I'm not going to open the door for you either. And guys, this isn't even counting getting better at Margit. Watch it tell me I need a finger, the door won't open to get outside. Grace is 100%. I don't know why you need to go back to War Master Shack if you already got Golden Vow. I don't. I'm dropping down from the strength tier. And I'm trying to... What I need to do is Golden Vow from strength, dropping down from strength tier. That's... Whoa, no! I don't need this! Guys, I'm going to have to break these bad habits, man. Gonna have to break the bad habits, folks. We're going to run around the front. Picking up loot while we can. Trying not to get that guy's attention. He sees me. I think he sees me! I don't think I need this grace. Will he come in here?
And I can also see that you're not up. Then why not? I am Kai.
We said there's nothing here, right? No.
Goodbye for now.
See, so I don't need to port back here. I'm gonna have to open up the those flowers probably aren't worth anything, guys. But if we have money to sell them, and the kukris were not worth anything either, so I'm not gonna get them, guys. Time, I think, is as important as anything else. I don't want to hear about it, buddy. Let me get the blood chins poop on the floor, folks. You understand what I'm saying, Billy? Where the strength tier is, I need to drop down right behind the strength tier. And then, okay, escape. Right? And then E.
They serve but you.
Let's go. Give me a horse. Yeah, but that I would love to know.
It will summon torrent. Treat him with...
That I would love to know. If I drop off the tongue depressors behind strength tier, which way do I go to get the to go straight to Golden Vow? I'm using War Master Shack as a reference point because I went north from there last time. No, I could turn it on, man. I could turn it on. Okay, we got to grab these smithing stones over here. I feel like I need more money. That's why I need to drop down to that one graveyard, guys. Do I grab this one? That was a stone sword key. I don't think I grabbed this one. But I'm grabbing it anyway because we're going to grab a couple. I shouldn't be. I mean, it's not that hard. No worries, just confused. Yeah. Yeah, Winston, it's for my own personal speed run. I decided I wanted to challenge myself. Not with the challenge. I'm not a no-hit player. You know, 99% of Souls players are not no-hit players. So it's like it's be silly for me to be trying to do that unless there was a scripted one. See from here. Where's Gold Val from here? That's War Master Shack. So we need to go north. We go north. And that's not it, is it? This is it, right? He's over behind here. Is this Gold Val, guys? Do we get it? There he is. Okay, good. Huge. Guys, I got to get the staggers. Hey, I try to do the move on him, guys. It's so funny because in the speed run, I kill this guy so fast, man. God. I'm allowed to rest. Okay, Golden Vow. And then from here... Where's the drop-off? I couldn't see it before. It's right over there. Okay, there's a drop-off here. I go this way. Then I head east, and we're going to... How are we doing? 8 minutes? Way better than before, huh? Okay, I need to head, I'm gonna get killed. East. Yeah, that's where they killed me. I'm not gonna mess with, what's his face? Dude! We are, like, way ahead of the last run. Don't be confused, man. Sorry, buddy, I ain't helping you. I can hear you, I ain't helping you. This guy sells pots, not stones. I don't think I stop and talk to this guy. Or does he sell a couple? If I really want this, guys, I'm going to have to remember this stuff. Do I stop at this guy?
Are you here as a customer?
I don't have the runes. Okay, that's great. Gotta remember that. Wasting time, but we're still so far ahead. I gotta learn how to do that with my keyboard. Yeah, leave me alone. Don't apologize. Just let me go, buddy. Alright. Now over here I drop down to the graveyard and grab all those stones, guys. Where's that freaking graveyard? What are y'all trying to get before Margit? You know what? It's kind of... No, wait. I think I'm supposed to be down there already. Graveyard's right here, huh? It is. I should have jumped down, guys. I should have jumped down. It's okay, though. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And then we're gonna run to the church. We're gonna get our physic. We're gonna go Fort Faroth. I'm gonna not aggro. Oh man, I really can't. I gotta be over there. Though these two drops look almost exactly the same. You notice that? Okay, this probably cost me a little bit of time, except we've already picked up so much time, and we have... look at the runes, guys. Look at the runes. Come on, come on. Gimme. Come on. Whoa. Okay, this is going to be a problem. Torrent's gonna be a problem. Maybe I should just get off my freaking horse. Should have grabbed this one too. There we go. Now, how do I get down from here? I think there's tongue depressors over there. Yeah, here they are. Don't fall. All right. How long take us to Sacred Church? Last time, Third Church of Marika. I don't remember, but I'll tell you this. We did that in 10 minutes. So that's pretty good. I don't think I touched the grace. Oh, I should have grabbed this because it's on the way. No, I guess that one's by the window, though, so it doesn't matter. Okay, then from here we're going to go to Fort Faroth. Oh, I got runes on me, though. And I got lucky. I think what I'm going to have to do... Because all we're really going for is the dick. Well, no. I got to spend my runes, guys. I got to spend my runes. Oh, what's that lost memory of grace? What's memory of grace? Visit Golden Vow, Ash, Dex tier, Strength tier, Smithing Stones, Riding on Source Hill. That's it. Hit the grace outside. Level, then go in. Yeah, there's a grace right down here I could grab too. And just put some points till I'm broke. Oh yeah, do it right outside. Yeah, I'll do it right outside. Well, I remember. I'm going to have to. Good thing that cowgirl doesn't aggro. Winston Hall, I'm pretty low level right now. And this doesn't even count the fact, guys, here's the challenge, okay? I have a half an hour set up. No way. Get me out of here. No fire. No fire! No fire from you. I have a half an hour to set up and pull Margit. That's the challenge. Anything I do before that right now is on the table. So if anyone has any amazing ideas, I'm down with them. Now, how do I not aggro this guy? Can I stay to the right? Because I want to... This is probably taking me longer time, but guys, the way he... I couldn't jump up the freaking wind spring. Can you not wind spring when you have aggro? See, as long as that took me before, this right here is going to be freaking amazing, amazing time save. And dude, getting here is so much faster than I thought. Okay, I'm going to put some points in. I want Vig and I want Strength. And then I'm just gonna... Oh, but then I might not have enough freaking... I'm going to have to remember how many points. Talk.
If you had, it seems torrent, whereas I'm...
Oh my god, she's going to want me around table. It's a waste of time. Okay, flasks. Add. Yes. I feel like E doesn't say yes. Level up. Yes, turn my runes to strength.
My hand rest upon you. For but a moment, share them with me.
Okay.
Your thoughts,
I put like a couple here.
you would follow.
Yeah, see, so I think I'm gonna end up with more runes. I'm gonna end up with more runes. But I only have 202 on me. Because... And we might be able to get the Uchigatana to an even higher level, folks. Did I loot that guy? Did I loot my gold vow? It works on whichever option you're highlighted or default one, so if you're over cancel, it'll cancel. Oh! So maybe I was over, so I got to put my mouse over the... Don't get that. I gotta put my mouse over it. And you see, I get a nice rune here too, guys. I dropped the wrong way. I dropped the wrong way. I blew a run. Get out of my way. What did I do? Was that the wrong hole? Come on. Was that the wrong hole? I think I still have a ton of time. I still have a ton of time, guys. I still have a ton of time because we're here. Was that the wrong hole? Last time I walked right in. I know it's the far one. Did I drop too early of a hole? I don't understand. And I think I dropped in the wrong hole, man. It's all the way on the other side, and I know it. So like, I don't understand what I just did there. I'll tell you though, when you're like rushing yourself, that's the wrong hole, guys. That's the wrong hole. I dropped in the wrong hole. It's over here. Okay, so die. Just die. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I can die, guys. I can die. Yeah, I can die. I hate the waste, but I want the source seal. Come on. Okay. Storm Hill Shack. To run to get the dex tier that I know how to get. And then we're going to go to round table. Now, I got to get an idea of how long. This is a little run, guys. This is a little run, right? It's a little run, man. I think I put 2 vig and 1 strength or something. Did you get this strength knot? I did. I think I did. Pretty sure I did. I got it by the troll. It's like one of the first things I do. I wanted that, but I didn't pick it up. I hope it's not a rune. If it is, that could have screwed me. There's no reason not to be grabbing stuff that is going to be free, like royal fruit. I could sell a stack, maybe get a level, or not maybe a level, but something close. These levels are going to be cheap, guys. These levels are going to be cheap. I'm out. Let's go. Okay. I think for safety's sake. Oh, I have no money. Oh, but I have runes. Because we're going to buy... Oh, I didn't pop my rune, did I? I did. So where'd those runes go? Those are the ones I just spent to level. Okay. That didn't sound dirty or nothing, says Caleb. Oh, I don't even know what I said, man. I don't even know what I said. Did I say something that sounded dirty? Wasn't trying to. You know, that scroll, this scroll up here, like, could be... It could sell for a few bucks. You know what I'm saying? If I'm going to have time to freaking sell this stuff. Okay. I want to sell first. Come on! Talk to me, buddy.
You're unsurprised, no matter.
Come on.
No, I don't. Oh, but
10 minutes? Sell. Oh, come on. Purchase. I'm gonna do the math on these things. I only need 2 of them, right, for the first level? That's gonna be it. Now we gotta run north for the next tier, folks. North for the next tier. And I'll know when I see it. I'll know when I see to turn my head north, folks. The ground opens up. There's red tents on the left. Orangey looking things. Grab the next tier, then we go to round table. And we're going to have lots of time. And I have 11,500 runes. We're going to level this weapon up. Mix our physic. Put Golden Vow on this sucker. Get our butts over there. Buff up. And then go in there, and I'll have 10 attempts for Margit. And we'll see if it's possible or not for me. With my skill set. Now, I can always get better. This is it, guys. This is it! I want good positioning, though, because if you're off by just a couple degrees, guys. I was a little bit over here. It's like right here. North. Go north. Alright. What's with the setup timer? Caleb, I'm giving myself 30 minutes to be at Margit and pull Margit. 30 minutes to pull Margit. And there it is, guys. It's not optimum yet, but we had to go without the dex here last time, guys, because we couldn't find it. Now I gotta get out of combat. That's the worst part of this. Is getting out of combat. Okay. Now I gotta talk to her and go to round table. And I have 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Probably gonna take me. I gave myself 5 minutes. Tell her you're off the round table hold. I gave myself 5 minutes for a round table hold to pull. You know, a good player do it in a minute and a half. The people that do this all the time. Oh my god. This is unskippable. It's an unskippable curse. Does anyone feel cursed right now? Oh man, come on. Okay, sell first.
You've no matter how your arm.
Okay, I want to sell. Oh, wait. All this stuff is so cheap. Is that worth anything? 180? There's none of that's worth anything. So that the fruit thing is pretty dumb. Oh, wait. I can't sell things that are equipped, right, guys? I could have sold that. Okay. Equipment. Remove. Remove. Wait. Equipment. This is why. Remove. Remove. I'm gonna keep my gear on, guys. I'm not gonna sell my gear. Okay.
Back already.
You said wrong hole. You went into the wrong hole. Oh yeah. Yeah, right. Sell. This. Sell it. Sell it. Sell them. Sell them. Sell it. Probably not worth the time, huh? Oh, that's equipped. Okay, that's it. Now, another thing. Equipment. Bang. Let's put on the source seal. Okay, now we're gonna... Oh, I should level my weapon. Kind of scared to level my weapon, guys. Strength and armament. All right, guys. Do we have any? I got 10,000 runes left. And we got 4 minutes. Guys, I could take a bio break. Wait, it's okay. Level up. Okay, I put a couple in Vig already. Vig, I think, is going to be pretty important, guys, because you know my skills, right? So I'm going to put another one there. And then I want strength. Oh, I got to put the Ash, too. Strength. I think I'm going to put another Vig. Because I want to be able to kill Margit, man. Should I be putting Dex, too? Should I be putting Dex, too? Strength and Dex. Well, my Dex is at 15. I started with a lot of Dex. I'll put one in Dex. I got my Vig up to 15, Strength 16, Dex 16. And I got Strength and Dex tiers. That's why I'm thinking, like, staying alive, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking it's... No, because you know what? If it dies fast, I stay alive long enough to freaking do some damn, guys. Plus, we're going to have Gold Vow. Okay, I got to put the Gold Vow on. I forgot. We got to remember to do everything in one sitting, folks.
Well, I took you no matter to lay out your own.
Ashabor. Do I do Sacred Standard? It doesn't matter, right? Standard looks like it's making less red letters. The FP's the same. Standard, yeah, that's what I did. Because it's a buff, though, man. Right? Okay, so now, I think we're done here. Let me look and see if this... Oh, my God, 2 minutes, 58 seconds. I can make it. I can make it. No bell bearing. Purchase. He doesn't have anything little. Okay. Back up here. No. Almost went to the wrong grace. All right, guys. There we go. This little plan, it's so funny, man. Because I was just trying to think of a way to challenge myself. That is within the realm of someone who knows the game, but maybe is the best player ever. And I thought, what if I could do 30 minutes... to level up. 30 minutes, whatever. Guys, you know what might be more efficient? Like running and getting the Morning Star and then going and killing Greyall and just putting points, just taking all the money and putting points. You know what I mean? Just put the money in strength and Vig and Dex with 80,000 runes. That is on the table. I didn't mix my physic. Did I? It let me rest. Did I mix my physic, guys? Mix physic. Timer. A minute 14 seconds, guys. I got time for a bio break. Okay. This is good because I can get way faster at it. But you know what? I want to kill Margit right now and have this challenge be done. Yeah, guys, we did it. We did it with a minute to spare, even with the botching. The VNAM. Hey, Charlie, great job on the streams. Keep it up, man. The VNAM, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for being here. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. I had a little over a minute left on my timer, guys. What I'm doing is 30 minutes to pull Margit. And I'm not like a beginner player, but I'm not a top tier player. My Vig is at 20 with the Source Seal. Mine is at 11, Endurance is at 18, Strength at 22, Dex is at 21. We got the Uchigatana with the absolute best on it. Golden Vow. If we could get a bloody slash or something. Oh, wait. I gotta go. There we go. Guys, I have a freaking, Exalted Flesh we didn't buff with, man. That was a huge mistake. I got the Golden Vow. I just buffed with it, right?
By the flame.
I buffed with it, right? Two-handed katana. Right. Okay. I can already feel my Vig is so much better. My Vig is so much better. So much better, guys. Okay, bad. I'm not doing much damage because I really blew some stuff there. He always hits me with that one. And I just freaking... I can't unsheath. I can't use it because I put Golden Vow on it. Yeah. That's why I have to buy a dagger and put Golden Vow on the dagger. And I think I already knew that, but that's what we did. That's one attempt. And we can't change it from here, guys. We can't change it from here. But that's an improvement. I can't use the you understand what I'm saying? Bang, bang. Right? Yeah. Yeah, I can't use it. And that's what got me killed was just, yeah. You can still use fast attacks with heavy attacks. Right. Well, no, I can still play. Right. Yeah. But I have to remember not to even try that. Okay, so I get 10 attempts. Oh! Inventorio. I don't have an Exalted Flesh. What was that, last run or something? I thought I had Exalted Flesh. Okay, well, I don't feel so bad because I was like, I didn't use my Exalted Flesh. Oh, and look at that. Wait. Smithing Stone 1, I have 2 extras. So I have to count them when and not buy extras, guys. I got to count them and not buy extras. Okay, that was a horrible attempt. It was a little bit rough getting in. That's all right. I can drink, I can vow, and I got rock and roll. Golden Vowing the katana was to save time and let you rebuff on the fly without swaps. Light and heavy attacks to punish. Yeah, I hear you, but I would rather buff. Like, isn't there like a really good... It's probably deep in the game, huh? Like Bloody Slash or something that you could put on this, right? I don't know if we have time for that, folks. You guys tell me. Okay. Okay. Guys. Now, I don't have this fight down, okay? So, like, don't think, like, okay, he did his setup. Now he's just going to kill Margit. I mean, I might. Okay, guys, I'm still learning. And I know that's the worst thing in the world. And rolling, I should have rolled in. Should I heal? I think I should. Every time! The slow attacks just freaking... I'm like not even paying attention. That's 2 attempts. That's okay, though. Part of this is also going to be me learning to fight. Dragon Blood Sword, what's up, man? Trey, you want to do some more Elden Ring? Firm Sword, like an hour. Golden Bow and a katana. Yeah. Okay, well, that's 2 attempts. Okay, I need to roll in. I need to slow down. And tell me something, man. I think he does a quick swish, but he hits me with that one every damn... What do you guys stare at? Is anyone here, like, really good, like, no hits Margit on a regular basis? What am I supposed to be staring at? Like, I guess his weapon. I'm kind of looking at him because I'm scared of him. You know what I'm saying? You watch the weapon arm. Okay, that was bad. I should top. Topping out there is horribly dangerous, though, because he throws stuff all the time. Weapon arm. Weapon arm. Picking up the runes. Being cocky. I'm picking up the runes, guys.
Well, thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run thy veins. Tarnished.
That was bad. Now watch him throw stuff at me. Only 2 on that big one, huh? So I gotta wait until he flips? What? What? I can do this, guys. That was third attempt. I can do this, guys. I can do this, man. I can do this. The challenge is for a mediocre player like me, 30 minutes to set up and beat Margit. And I get 10 tries. I got 10 tries because you can see I don't know this fight. I'm like, I don't know a lot of fights in this game. Like, I don't claim to. And we had 2 extra smithing stones we didn't need, and I swear I had an exalted flesh last time. Charlie, I love how excited you get when I come in here. It makes my day, man. Dragon Blood Sword, thank you, dude. I can totally do this. You saw that, right? Dude, Dragon Blood Sword, I watched a weapon arm. That's what just happened right there. Wait, that's because I was watching a weapon arm. Yeah. I was watching a weapon arm. Well, thank you. I feel mediocre because I expect more of myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to do better, man. Dang. Easy there, Turbo. You got to attack so quick. The one where he flicks it up. Okay. Yep, and I didn't watch his arm there. That's the one he always hits me with. And I always... Don't throw stuff at me! Okay, he hit me. That's the one! And then I get caught in those flurries too. And I don't know how to... And I rolled for no reason. He's gonna throw stuff at me. Okay, I got 1 more health pot left, and this is as good as last time, but I'm getting experience.
Well, thou art of passing skill.
Wow!
Truly run in thy veins.
I thought I could get 2 off there, and then I was gonna go try and heal. But that's still progress because that's still the second time I got the hammer, right? Hot drop number 4. And so if I don't do it in these 10 attempts, then we're gonna rethink anything we can do better. I will be open to suggestions on the route, on the weapon. Like I said, I want to buy a dagger, put Golden Vow on that. I'm cool with just buffing once. I don't need to buff on the fly. I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference. Margit has a BS moveset, not going to lie. Yeah, it does, but that's just part of it. Hella good, I think we all do, so you aren't doing anything wrong, man. The only get better is use your experience as a guide. Yeah. Death Dagger with Golden Vow and Unsheath on Katana. That's what I'm thinking, man. That's what I'm thinking. But I want to do this now the first attempt, guys. The first playthrough with this challenge. And you guys, I want you guys to try this too. I want you guys to try this too and tell me how it goes. Any of you guys, I want you to try it. I mean, another option would have been just straight meteor staff and rock sling and as much int as I can. You know what I mean? And just run away. Hey, Wolf, how you doing, man? That was cheesy. I was lucky I got the tail. Should I target? I feel like I want to target, but I'm not sure I want to target, but I feel like I want to target, but I don't know if I should target. I don't know if I should talk while I'm fighting. That's the one he gets me with, guys. Do the big jumping thing. Do the big jumping thing. Yeah, see, I should roll into that. It's melee.
Thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run in thy veins. Tarnished.
He's gonna throw! Oh, we got lucky there. Do I need to be rolling in more? Do I need to be rolling in more? I hate you. He always takes my health away. What's that, 8%? Oh, did I mark the last attempt, guys? Did I mark the last attempt? Guys, I had him. I freaking had him! The Death's Poker, yeah. Did I count the last attempt, guys? Does anyone know? Oh, got to get the bleed on him. I know. I know, but I also got to not... I mean, should I stay in and take some hits to get the bleed on him? I could try, I could try being a little more aggressive. I'm trying to play it perfect, but I'm getting better at it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, got to get the bleed on him. Maybe I should go for a shorter fight too, because the golem vow will last longer. Cheesy. Like that. Well, if I get hit every time, it doesn't... He knows when you drink. He knows when you've been drinking.
Well, thou art of passing skill. Warrior
Okay, that comes faster than I would think it would.
tarnished.
That comes way faster. I mean, I think I got hit by 2 of them. Should never get by any of those. That's like the easiest attack in the world. And that was too slow.
Put these foolish
Okay.
to rest.
Okay. He's got a huge bleed proc right before he killed you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, that was going a little more aggressive, but I missed a couple of really key attacks, man, that are the easy ones. When he's got the hammer, it's the easy one. I gotta watch his hand. Will the hand help me on the hammer too? No way! Better?
Thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly.
That's the one that always hits me. He doesn't let you drink. No. That was way better, huh? Except the little spots of it were better. Little spots of it are better. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, I'm telling you guys, I never dreamed I would be able to take a lower level. What level am I? 18. Level 18 melee, no summons, guys. Like, I know this is going to happen. I just know I got to work for it, right? Good attempt. He's got some good combos. He does. I'm tired of getting hit by his poopies on the pole. That was bad. Watch that. Watch the arm. Watch the arm. That's the one. He only had one in his hand. That helped.
Well, thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run in thy veins. Tarnished.
I rolled that early. I wonder if I had time to drink there, guys. I wonder if I had time to drink there. He's got some good combos. He has some crazy combos, man. I'm going to do this, guys. Guys, you guys are going to see it, man. You guys are going to see this happen. Guys, we're running out of attempts, man. I only get 10 attempts, folks. But then I can improve on the route. Maybe find an exalted flesh on the way. If anyone knows where there's any runes on the way, I could get just a little bit more dex. Maybe it'd be cool. You know what I'm saying? Maybe take the source seal off. What do you guys think about that? I don't think source seal off's the move. I don't. I think learn how to dodge is the move. Right? Why? He knows when you're being... He knows, guys. He knows when you drink. What do they call it? Input reading or something? It's input reading, right? He's...
Thou art of passing skill. Warrior blood must truly run in thy veins. Tarnished.
He's input reading. That's not fair. That's not fair. You're eating all of my freaking... That's the one he always hits me. I completely... I'm so close. So many bad heals there. But you can't have bad heals if you don't have to heal. God, that was freaking crazy, man. I wanted that so bad. Okay. I got 2 more attempts, guys. Number 9 and number 10. 2 more attempts, guys. And then I got to rethink the route, try and improve it. Because if I can't do it in 10 tries, I am improving. I probably could do it in 20 tries, but I want to do it now. I want to do it now. Source seal stays on, right, guys? I mean, if I only have 2 attempts left, should I try it one time without the source seal? It's just like, it's so strong. That's 5 freaking strength, 5 dex, 5 even vig, right? And 5 endurance. No, it has to stay on. I take more damage, but it's got to be a net gain, even for someone like me, right? Come on. I gotta stop. Panic rolling. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be 2 there. Wow, that was a nasty one.
Tarnished.
We're too close to throw stuff. There's no way I was gonna heal! Oh! Okay. I have to accept it. I'm trying to stay in a little bit more. I mean, should I be doing like... I feel like I've been getting closer by doing 3... punishing 3 times, even at the risk of a hit. Right? Does that sound like the move? Give him the whole Charlie stick and go. That's it, man. You're right about the damage, Charlie. However, Golden Bell offsets damage you'll be taking too. Right. Okay, guys, here we go. Last attempt, guys, on this playthrough. This guy gets deleted. After this attempt, so we got to kill him. He knew I was drinking! How'd you know I was drinking there, buddy? How'd you know? Who told you I was drinking? Took the hit. I went a little late on that.
Warrior blood must truly run in my veins.
Okay. Dude! He's killed me pretty much in the same spot. Exactly same spot last time. That was it, guys. That's my 10 attempts, man. That's my 10 attempts, guys. Dude, this was a lot of fun, man. I'm so sorry I didn't kill him, guys. But I have got to go to the dentist tomorrow, and I got to start moving in that direction. So thank you guys for being here for this. It was so much fun. Guys, there's so much content, man. There's a new short on my page right now. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming right here on YouTube. Check out the new short. It's Radon. It's fun. It's fun, guys. It's a nice reel. There's a whole bunch of other content there. Check out my first no hit Fire Giant. They're all on lives. They're on lives, and there's a video for my first no hit. There's stuff there, guys. There's videos, there's shorts, and then there's lives like this. But the no hit Malekith and the no hit Fire Giant live, both of them happened toward the beginning of the stream. So it's almost like watching like a 15-minute video. You know what I'm saying? But there's all kinds of great content. Kinds of great content for you guys to watch if you haven't seen any of it. Throw me a sub if you like it, guys. Throw me the likes and shares. I really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, my mods, for being here. Thank you, guys, for all the ideas. We're going to do this again, and we're going to improve on this. So come back. Come back, guys, okay? And we'll do this run again. We're going to have to start over with the half an hour setup. And we had a few minutes left, guys. So we can improve. I freaking love you guys. Thank you, guys. Later, Drew. Thank you, everybody, man. I appreciate it. That was so much fun. Sorry you didn't pull it off, man. And sorry I got to go, but we'll do this again very soon. Tomorrow's open mic. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to stream tomorrow, but you guys know I've been streaming every night pretty much except for Tuesday night.